Today we're making a yogurt cake with plums and crumble. It's easy to prepare, so jot down this recipe. You'll find exact ingredient amounts in the video description as always. Let's begin. It's best to have all ingredients at room temperature. Beat 3 eggs with sugar until white and fluffy for a good few minutes. Then pour in oil, add 300 g natural yogurt, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, and 3 cups of wheat flour. Keep mixing. This is our dough's consistency. Transfer it to a baking tray lined with parchment paper. Spread it out, then add plums. I prepared 450 g of plums. I added a teaspoon of vanilla sugar and a bit of cinnamon to the plums. Next, sprinkle crumble on top and put it in a preheated oven at 180 degrees. Bake for about 30 to 40 minutes depending on your oven. Once done, frost or dust with sugar and enjoy. Bon appétit!